Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're trying to open any website in your Safari browser, but you're facing the issue that your address is invalid or you're unable to open the page. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your settings, and here just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Then go to your general section, go to software update, and you can try to update your software. Then go back, and the very first thing you can try to check your URL. You have to ensure that the URL or the web address is correct, or switch from Wi-Fi to solid data to rule out network issue. Or you can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to screen time section here. Just go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your iPhone or your browser has been restricted due to these restrictions. So once you have disabled them, your issue will be fixed. So now before you retry, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with the iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so try to go to your settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. Or you can also try to go to your app section and here just look for Safari and you just have to try to clear your Safari website data. Just scroll down and tap on clear history and website data. Select all history, then tap on clear history. So it will clear all the history and website data of your Safari browser. Because sometimes it might be that your Safari browser includes some bugs or some viruses. So it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.